I'm gonna show you how to do the full cross pattern on a 3x3 Rubik's Cube step by step. So I'll show it really slowly to show you step by step, okay? So let's do this. I have to move this right layer 2 times like this. Now on the left layer, you go up 1 time. Now with this layer down here, you move to the right side 1 time. Now on the front layer, you move 2 times. Now you go down with the right layer. You return this down here. Now you go down again with the left layer as well. Now with this upper layer, you go to the right side. The same thing with this down. Now you go up, repeat this move here. Do a double move on the back layer. Now you go down, go to the left side and do a double move down here. And now you have the full cross pattern. You can see, really beautiful. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe my channel to help me to do more content for you, and comment below if you liked and if you want more content like this. I will wait you for the next contents. Take care.